Tyrone Tyler took over the Des Moines Hoover football program prior to last season, and year one was nothing like he could have imagined. The Huskies only played one game last year due to DMPS going fully online during the pandemic, which, as we know, shut down activities. Then, after graduation, Hoover lost 22 seniors and returned just 2 starters this season. So this upcoming year is basically like a second year one for Tyler and the Huskies.
1-0 feels good, but getting one game after all the preparation is devastating and frustrating. So now, yeah, it is year one because the 22 kids that I had worked with, or the 40-some kids losing the 22, I am starting over.
Last year he came from Dowling, and he also coaches Blaze. So he coaches Goldman, and he coaches 6-time state champs. So the energy that they had, he brought it to us. We just working real hard trying to get the best season possible.
I think we just really have to listen and pay attention and, learn how to give tough love and criticism and not take it to heart and stuff like that. But so far, we're doing great.
Hoover will play more than one game this season. They'll start with a road trip to North, then host Des Moines Christian week 2.